frozen, poured on the rocks in a little cantina with a little extra salt. Some save the wine for the weekend and a beer for the game, but it's Cinco de Mayo for me any day. No, there ain't a bad time for some salt and lime, living it up. Cheers to you, cheers to me, cheers to everything under the sun. Sometimes living life just needs a little more tequila. Since when do you need a reason for a margarita? I like them skinny, laying out on the beach. When I'm with my girls, hell, I like them pink. Some more we drink 'em in Vegas, Cancun in the sand. But it's always vacation when there's one in my hand. No, there ain't a bad time for some salt and lime, living it up. Cheers to you, cheers to me, cheers to everything under the sun. Sometimes living life just needs a little more tequila. Since when do you need a reason for a margarita? Jimmy brought the game on margarita. 2 for 1, little buzz margarita. It's the freaking weekend of the margarita. If you got one, raise it as a margarita. No, there ain't a bad time for some salt and lime, living it up. Cheers to you, cheers to me, cheers to everything under the sun. Sometimes living life just needs a little more tequila. Since when do you need a reason for a margarita?
Let's learn Margareasons. It's choreographed by Lee Hamilton and Debbie Rushton. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after 22 counts and a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, step change, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Margareasons. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step your left foot together with your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're going to cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto your right foot, and then we're going to do a quarter shuffle, turning over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, keeping your weight on your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to hook your left foot over your right shin. We're now going to do a left shuffle forward, stepping left forward, right together, left forward, and we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. We're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quarter turning shuffle. You're going to do your step half hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. We're going to rock our right foot back, recover onto our left. You're going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and then we're going to do a right crossing shuffle, crossing right over left, left side, right over left. So So let's try that with some counts. You would have just come out of your jazz box cross. You're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do our rock to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a 3/4 walk around turning over our left shoulder. You have 4 steps to make a quarter turn to end at 9 o'clock. So we're going to turn over that left shoulder, stepping left, right, left, right. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right, and we're going to do a coaster cross with our left, stepping your left foot back, right together, and then cross your left over your right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just come out of our crossing shuffle. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do that 3/4 walk around, starting with your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step to the right. So it's side, together, chasse to the right, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, step, half hook, shuffle forward, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, right side, rock, rock back, recover, right side, rock, crossing shuffle, your 3/4 walk, left, right, left, right, left, rock, recover, left, coaster, cross. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on the left, stepping to the right, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. You're going to dance up to count 22 completely normal, which is your side rock, back rock, side rock. Now, to be able to travel to the right on that restart, we're going to change the crossing shuffle to a cross rock recover, and that is the only change that you're going to do on that restart. So let's face the back. We're going to dance up to count 22, and then we'll change that crossing shuffle to a cross rock so that you can restart the dance. So weights on the left, we're stepping to the right, it's side, together, chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, step, half hook, shuffle forward, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side rock, recover, back rock, recover, side rock, recover. Right here, instead of doing your crossing shuffle, we're going to just cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your left foot, and you're going to restart the dance facing 12 o'clock, stepping side, together, and wall 4 will happen facing 12 o'clock. So let's do it all the way through with some counts, doing that step change so that you can practice it. Weight is on your left, you're stepping to the right, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, quarter shuffle, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, back rock 3, 4, 5, 6, cross rock 7, 8, start over, side, together, chasse to the right. Now, your final wall will put you facing the back. You will end up doing your rock and coaster step. All you're going to do is unwind a half turn over your right shoulder to face 12 o'clock, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to practice that transition from our step change and restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right, it's side, together, chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, step, half hook, shuffle forward, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side rock, recover, back rock, recover, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, 3/4 walk, left, right, left, rock, recover, coaster, cross step side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is our restart wall with the step change. Side, together, chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Step, half hook, shuffle forward, jazz box, quarter, turn, side rock, back rock, side rock. Do your cross rock and restart. It's side, together chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Step, half hook, shuffle forward, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross side rock, recover, back rock, recover, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, 3/4 walk left, right, left, rock, recover in your coaster, cross. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance all the way through till the end of the song. When you're facing the back, the music's going to start fading out, and you are just going to unwind to face 12 o'clock. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Margareasons. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I like them frozen, poured on the rocks, in a little cantina with a little extra salt. Some save the wine for the weekend and a beer for the game, but it's Cinco de Mayo for me any day.